Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, northern Tama County in central Iowa, southeastern Grundy County in central Iowa, until 6:30 a.m. At 5:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beeman, or 8 miles south of Grundy Center, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Traer, Rhinebeck, Dysart, Conrad, Glanbrook, Cloutier, Beeman, Lincoln, and T.F. Clark State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Grundy, Marshall, and Tama.